Discover a flexible solution from X-Flow, a spill contaminant berm that effectively reduces the risks associated with uncontrolled leaks. Our product increases the safety of working with hazardous substances. Using a special EVA-coated material, our solution stands out for its greater durability and resistance. The assembly takes a few minutes. Just unfold the product and place the wall supports in the external pockets. Thanks to the use of EVA material, even constant and uncontrolled leaks will not damage the spill containment berm. The removable berm supports allow free access for a forklift or even a whole tanker, thus facilitating the unloading process. The product has a 7-year warranty because we're sure of its durability and quality. We offer custom-made spill containment berms that meet individual customer needs and fit the place where they are needed most. Contact us and our advisors will be happy to help you choose the best solution.